Good morning, everyone. Jeffrey Daniels, Realtor here in Phoenix, Arizona. A lovely April afternoon. Hope you are all home and safe and healthy. Doing a video tour for one of my clients of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse right next to Simus Elementary, 12th Street and Orangewood here. So give you guys a quick tour. These were built in '73, single-story block construction. Some of them have garage. This one has a carport. We're all gloved up and booties on the shoes here. So start off, we've got a nice little closet storage space under the carport. This one here is a little storage, but it's got your water heater in there, so you don't want to overload it too much. Attic access through the carport. Coming in here, we go direct into the laundry niche here, laundry nook. Now this one's all been completely restored. A lot of nice upgrades. We've got tile in the entry or in the laundry and this kitchen, granite countertops, gas appliances. Nice area in here, little basin sink near this pass-through, which is pretty cool. Awesome full-length backsplash behind the stove area there. Very well decorated too. It's almost staged. So come into this little fireplace area, nice little formal room. And again, the exposed block all around the perimeter of the rooms is awesome. Painted block. Come into a dining area. You see we have this chandelier where we put our dining table, and then into, normally we would come in through the front door, but they've requested that we use the carport door here. So this is the main living area. Again, we're 1,752 square feet in this one, so 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Coat closet right by the front door. Come into a split hallway, so to the right is the owner's suite. Immediately to the left, fully upgraded bathroom. Looks like a new soaking tub in there. Tile surround. Good size master walk-in closet right here. This is a king-size bed to show the size of this room. Now on the back there are 1, 2, 3 sliders, all of which have been upgraded to modern. So smooth operation, more efficient windows. And, clean, modern look to it. Still have your built-in cabinetry right here just outside the guest bath. Guest bath has been redone as well. Walk-in shower, quartz countertops throughout, new toilets, tile floors. There's a Murphy bed in here. Kind of shows how you could use the space for that second bedroom. Now, one of the cool things about these is your HOA covers the front maintenance, but you have these backyards in each one of these that are just amazing little, not even little, excellent sized outdoor areas. So we do have another closet out here, good sized storage. And this one has turf in the back and a lot of awesome landscaping. We've got a couple of bougainvilleas, hibiscus. See if I can get a good view out here for you guys. Show you what your back patio area looks like. So, pretty awesome 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouses. If you have questions about these, if you like a virtual tour of this one, any other ones, give me a call, send me a text. Jeffrey Daniels Realtor. JeffreyDanielsRealtor.com, 602-820-8688. Stay safe, everyone.